write an equation in slope-intercept form, then graph it. Here's the equation they give us. 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. And to write the equation in slope-intercept form, we would need to put it in the form y is equal to mx plus b, where m is a number and b is a number. So to get this equation into that form, we would need the term with the y on the left side of the equal sign and all other terms on the right side of the equal sign. So we can start by subtracting 3x from both sides of the equal sign. That leaves us with negative 4y is equal to 12 minus 3x. From here, we need y to be on the left side of the equal sign. So in order to isolate the variable, we will divide both sides of the equal sign by negative 4. And that leaves us with positive y is equal to 12 minus 3x over negative 4. So we're getting closer to the form y equals mx plus b, but we're not quite there yet. Our next step would be to split the fraction into two fractions. So we can say y is equal to 12 over negative 4. And we have a negative divided by a negative, so we could say positive 3x over 4. This term here can be simplified. 12 divided by negative 4, so we could say y is equal to negative 3 plus 3 over 4 times x. Now we need the x term to be first, followed by the b. So that's easy enough. We'll just rearrange the right side of the equal sign to y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 3. And this is slope-intercept form. Y is on the left side alone, followed by the slope 3 over 4 times x minus 3, which is our b, negative 3. So now we can graph it. And so since our y-intercept is negative 3, that signifies where the line crosses the y-axis. That's negative 3 is going to be our first point. And then we have our rise over run. Our slope is 3 over 4. We're rising 3, and we're running positive 4. So we're rising positive 1, 2, 3. And we're running to the right positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this here is going to be our second point. And now we can draw our graph like so. Let's go ahead and move on to the next problem. It's very similar. We are asked to start by writing the equation in slope-intercept form. And to do that, we're going to have the term with the y on the left side of the equal sign and all the other terms on the right side of the equal sign. So to get started, we can add 2x to both sides. On the left side of the equal sign, we are simply left with 5y. On the right side of the equal sign, we're left with positive 2x plus 10. Now we want to get rid of the 5 in front of the y, so we're going to divide both sides of the equal sign by that coefficient 5. On the left side, we have y is equal to 2x plus 10 over 5. And again, we can go ahead and split this fraction into two fractions. So we'll get y is equal to 2 over 5 times x plus 10 over 5. This term here we can simplify because 10 divided by 5 is 2, and we're left with y is equal to 2 over 5x plus 2. So in this case, we are now in slope-intercept form, and I'm going to draw a box around it. Our slope is 2 over 5, and our y-intercept is 2. So to graph it, we can start with our y-intercept of 2. 2 on the y-axis is where the line crosses the y-axis, so I can put a point there. And now we can start with our slope. It's rise over run. I'm rising 2, and I'm running 5. So this is my second point. Now that I have my 2 points, I can go ahead and draw my graph like so. And I am done.